which will be the best shampoo that you can use during summers. So summers is a time when there's a lot of heat, we sweat a lot, sometimes there can be a lot of greasiness on the scalp, there can be irritation, the hair might feel frizzy, also there might be hair fall. So during this time, which is the best shampoo that you can use? So today I'm going to be describing some shampoos based on their ingredients, and in the end we'll be able to decide which is the best shampoo for you that you can use during this weather. So let's talk about the Sebamed Everyday Shampoo. So this is a sulfate free shampoo. Also its pH is 5.5, which matches with the scalp pH. So it is very gentle on the scalp. Also another thing, the surfactant in this shampoo is decyl glucoside, which is a plant-derived surfactant, which is also very mild. The other two surfactants in this shampoo are disodium lauryl sulfosuccinate and sodium lauryl sulfoacetate. Both of these are very mild sulfate-free surfactants. Also, this shampoo has certain conditioning agents, so it is able to condition the hair, make it much more softer as well. So we talk about this shampoo. This is a very good everyday use shampoo, even for a sensitive scalp, even for a color-treated hair. It is a good shampoo that you can use. But there's one drawback. This does not foam as much, so sometimes people might feel that their scalp gets too oily and it's not able to clear out all the oil, but that's not true. This is a very good shampoo. It's a very good cleanser. It cleans the scalp very well. However, there is no anti-dandruff ingredient in it or hair repairing ingredient in it. But if you talk about an everyday use shampoo, this fits the bill. Also, you can use it every day. You can even use it alternate day. Hi, I'm dermatologist Dr. Nirupama, and I make videos on skincare and hair care in English on this channel and in Hindi on this channel. You can subscribe to our channels and also follow me on Instagram. Now let's talk about Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Sulfate Free Shampoo. So this shampoo is also a great shampoo for everyday use. If you talk about the surfactant in it is sodium methyl cocaine taurate, which is a coconut derived surfactant, and it's one of the mildest surfactants known in the modern formulations. Also, when we pair it with coke amido propyl betaine, it produces gentle yet effective lather in order to clean the scalp without irritating the scalp. It also has L-lysine monohydrochloride, which is an amino acid which helps support the hair health. The protein content in the hair, it helps support it because there can be a lot of damage to the hair because of the UV rays and the heat during summer. So the ingredient helps support the hair health. Also, this is a sulfate free shampoo. It's a mild shampoo. You can use it on an everyday basis, especially if you have normal scalp, if you have dry scalp or sensitive scalp. However, if you have very oily scalp, that can sometimes occur in summers, it might not be the best shampoo because its cleansing power is not as much. However, for a daily use, for an alternate day use, this shampoo is very good. Another important factor is that it costs only 355 rupees for 200 ml and it is in the affordable range as compared to Sebamed, which costs more than 600 rupees for 200 ml. Now let's talk about Mildy shampoo. So Mildy shampoo has a surfactant known as sodium lauryl sulfate. So this is SLES and it is much more milder than SLS. However, it has strong cleansing power. So if you have an oily scalp, then it is a good shampoo for you. Also, it is supported by coke amido propyl betaine, which reduces irritation. It also has polycotinium 7, which helps in smoothing the hair, also helps in detangling the hair. But there's one thing about this shampoo. It contains DMDM hydrantoin, which is a formaldehyde releasing preservative. So when it is present in the safer limits in lower concentration, then there's no problem. Otherwise, it can cause irritation, it can cause inflammation on the scalp. So this is a very good shampoo. It has good cleansing power. But if you have very dry scalp, or if you have color treated hair, or if you have a sensitive scalp, then it might not be a great shampoo for you. This can be used 2 to 3 times a week. For everyday use, it might not be that good because the cleansing power is stronger, the surfactants are much more stronger as compared to the shampoos that we have talked about earlier. So this shampoo is also very affordable. It costs around 200 rupees for 100 ml. Now let's talk about Bioderma Note G Purifying Shampoo. So this is also a great shampoo. There is no paraben, no SLS, no sulfate. It's a mild shampoo, does not irritate the scalp. Also, it has zinc gluconate, which helps reduce dandruff, also reduces oil and inflammation. Along with it, it has panthenol, which helps hydrate, helps support the scalp health, and it has a good probiotic complex, which helps support the scalp microbiome. So this shampoo is one of my favorites too. I also use it quite often. It's very gentle, it does not foam as much, but it cleans the scalp very effectively. Only one concern is it has laureth 2, which is a mild emulsifier, but it can sometimes irritate the scalp, but it's not too common. The The other thing is, this is a very good use daily shampoo with a good cleansing power, even though it does not foam as much, lather as much, but it can be used on a regular basis. Also, it costs around 1200 to 1600 rupees for about 400 ml. It's a great shampoo for everyday use. Now let's talk about Wishcare Multi-Peptide Anti-Hair Fall Shampoo. So this is a sulfate-free shampoo and it has good cleansing power. So if we talk about the surfactants that are present in this shampoo, they are sodium cocyl isthionate and decyl glucoside. So they clean the scalp without drying it out too much. They are very mild, they are gentle, they do not irritate the scalp. If we talk about other ingredients that are present in it, they are tripeptides, caffeine, rosemary extracts that help improve the hair strength and the hair health. But this is basically an anti-hair fall shampoo. However, shampoos do not remain on the scalp for a very long time. They are rinse-off preparations, so they do not have a major role to play in order to reduce the hair fall. If you have hair fall, you might rather have to use leave-in preparations, or you might have to use lotions that you keep for overnight, or certain oral medications. Just a shampoo might not just help. The other thing is, this shampoo is pretty mild. It can be used on a regular basis. You can use it 3 to 4 times a week. It is non-irritating, it is sulfate-free, and it is good for a regular use. Now let's talk about L'Oreal Hyaluron Pure Shampoo. So this is one shampoo that I have made multiple videos on. This is a good shampoo. It contains a surfactant known as sodium lauryl sulfate, so it's not as drying or as harsh as SLS. It has good cleansing power, so whatever sweat, oil that can occur during summers, it easily removes it. Also, this has salicylic acid, which helps reduce the scalp buildup and cleans the scalp thoroughly. The other thing is, it has hyaluronic acid to hydrate the ends of the hair. So it's a good shampoo in that way because it has dual action. It's not very mild, so it might not be a shampoo that you use on a very regular basis, everyday basis, but it is good to use 2 to 3 times a week for thorough cleansing of the scalp if there's a scalp buildup or if there is oily hair. So I would definitely recommend it. If you talk about the cost of this shampoo, this costs around 230 rupees for about 200 ml, so it is very affordable. You could use it on a regular basis 2 to 3 times a week. But if you have a very sensitive scalp, since it does not contain very mild ingredients, very mild surfactants, it might not be that great for you. But otherwise, for oily scalp this summer, it'll be a great option. So I hope you liked this video and you understood which is going to be the best shampoo for you this summer and how often you should be shampooing and what type of shampoo would suit your scalp. So if you did like this video, do let me know in the comment box below. Thank you for watching.